Well, aloha everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land, Never Never Land, and the land of rubber band. Yeah, it is Chief. Well, and check this out. Ain't gonna be no welding today, man. It's completely surrounded by this big cloud that's about to break. About ready for boss right now. If you look in the distance over there, out toward Kukui, right now I guarantee you Kukui is getting slammed with rain. So I'm going to call Big Brother. Might not be a good idea to go out there today, because we would never get nothing done. Now with all that rain, there's no way you get anything done, and the only thing you can get in the end is sick. So I'll give him one call and let him know what's up. Today, a whole lot of ua. All I can do is stay in. I'll eat a lot of soup, stay dry, stay warm. Until next time, this is Chief. Aloha. Wide. Well, it's here. You can hear in the background, it's first one I just took, which is about maybe 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. There ain't no welding getting done today. Not in this. Underwater welding has to be done underwater, not above ground. Otherwise it becomes a very shocking experience. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, that's it right there. Ua is on. Aloha. Wide. Aibala, I am looking for you, Aibala. Aibala, the all-knowing, all-seeing, enchanted Aibala. Where are you, Aibala? I want to see you, Aibala. Aloha. Wide. Aibala.